What I enjoy about living in the Kearney area is the smaller, close-knit community feel, and everything is within reach.
Well, I enjoy going out to like what we call the Big Apple Fun Center. So they have bowling, go-karts, but there's also, we have small trails for those people that enjoy the outdoors, so you can bike or run or walk.
I also enjoy taking some strolls at Yanni Park. The small lake and the big tower are awesome, especially in the evening to view the sunsets going down. What I love about working at West Kearney is the faculty, the team members really work with you to try and get you to succeed. I enjoy how people are very welcoming as well.
Working at Kearney West has helped me provide for my family by great pay and awesome benefits.
I have an awesome apartment. I've been able to purchase a new vehicle with the awesome pay and the benefits that they provide.
For me, working at West has been great because of the benefits that it provides, the opportunities within the company, and I also enjoy the work that I do, and just some of the people that you get to work with are great to develop friendships with.
West has great opportunities. You can join like a safety committee or a continuous improvement committee, or even have the opportunity to move up in higher positions.
Working at West has been great because starting as a molder and then moving on into quality, you know, it was an opportunity that I had. And like management, if they see potential, they help you get, you know, further in your career. I started out as a molder. I am now in the quality department, and just recently I was the quality lead on the night shift.
The opportunities that I've been able to have here at West Kearney have been production operator. I've also been quality control, and I've also filled in for production lead position. So they encourage moving up and moving around.
If team members are willing to work, and there's plenty of opportunities here at West to advance.
What makes West such a great place to work is not only the team members that help you out and try to help you succeed, but also management. They actually listen to you. They're always asking, what can we do for you? And all they want you to do is to succeed, and there's nothing more uplifting than having somebody above you want to reach out their hand and raise you up with them.
One of the things that I like most about West, or working for West, is some of the friendships that I developed here and some of the people that you get to work with.
It's a very friendly atmosphere here, and they care about their employees.
With a great atmosphere and encouraging environment, I can see myself retiring from West.